Welcome friends, my name is Yuri, top trading offer. This lesson will be about fear of loss and how to overcome it. Let's go. I think those of you who in trading many times, many days, many years, you faced once at least with this problem, fear of loss, and I personally had it when I increased my volume in many times, when I get first investor who increased my capital in many times. And I would like to share with you reasons why this stuff, roots of that stuff, of fear, and how you can overcome it, how you can go through it, because it is really a huge psychological problem. In trading, you cannot predict where you will make money and where you will lose money, because in some month there would be so many opportunities and market like a fish will go into your hand. But in some cases there would be weeks when you will sit and there would be nothing. Like last 2 weeks after huge volatility, market was poor. Only today I got my first entry for 2 weeks. Sometimes there will be that stuff. That's why that's a problem. If you what you need to do, if you give up your job, it is not good to do it when you don't have enough savings for at least for 3 months, 6 months. For those, if you're a young person, for you it will be enough 2-3 months savings if you want to quit your job. If you have at least girlfriend, I recommend you to have at least 6 months money before you go out from job. And if you have kids, at least you need to have 1 year savings. It is a minimum which I recommend you. That's why first you need to make money, you're forced to do it. Second reason, second problem, it would be because you have huge, you trade too much, your volume is too big. Volume too big. Like example for you, like your salary, you live 2000 USD per month, and somehow you have risk proposition 500 USD, and 4 stop losses, and you lost all money which you can spend per whole month. What you need to understand, risk per your position must be amount of money which you easily afford to lose. Like if you will lose that amount, nothing will change in your life. That's why I recommend always to people have risk per position less than 1%, 1% and less. For example, like you have 10k account and your risk per position 1%, it will be 100 USD. And what does it mean? Even if price will hit your stop losses, it is 100 USD. Nothing will change. You will be alive, your family will have food, nothing will change. In that case, it will be easy for you. Third one, I had this fear I had personally, and I had a problem with it. When you trade some patterns which you don't know what are you doing for. I remember a few years ago when I opened a position and I feared because I didn't know what I do. You need to have a step-by-step plan. You need to have step-by-step plan. When, for example, at this moment, when I have step-by-step plan and I have strategy, and I know that if I open entry according to my trading strategy, that means even if price will hit stop loss, it's okay, it's part of my business. That sometimes I will have stop losses, but when I do it according to my strategy, I trade key levels, the most powerful one, when price shows accurate preconditions. In that case, I have proper risk proposition like less than 1%. In that case, it says, okay, I don't have fear to lose, because even if I will lose, I understand that it's okay, I did good job. You need to understand that still you will get stop losses. And also some of you has another problem why fear of loss appears. It is you don't know, you don't accept that there would be stop losses. First, what you need to understand in trading, you need to accept that there would be stop losses. That, for example, you have strategy, like you have 40% of profit entries, you have 60% of stop losses. That means from 10 entries, there would be 10 pluses, and there would be 6 minuses. You need to understand that it will be a part of your entry. What is the most important in this area is to have low and predictable risk, and your take profit always must be in many times bigger than your risk. That would be good. For example, my average take profit in 4-5 times bigger than my risk. Even if I get 1 stop loss, even if I get 5 stop losses, 1 plus entry will recover all stop losses. That's all. When you will have at least 50-50, believe me, you will be like a Soros. That's why you need to accept that there would be this part, and you don't know which entry will be negative, which will be positive, because sometimes market can change dramatically. That's why, friends, that's a reason why every person recommend you to trade only on a free money which you can afford to lose. Why? Because you will be calm. You don't need to hurry up. You will not need to give that money back to some other person, and in that case you will not have fear of lose. Friends, let's summarize this lesson. What you need to do. If you have fear of lose, first check your trading strategy. Maybe you don't understand what you are looking for on a chart. If that yes, learn strategy. Below this lesson you will find a link on our strategy, and I can teach you my strategy, key levels, how to trade it properly. Second one, it is about volume. You can trade on huge volumes and you didn't adjust to it, and you need time to adjust to it. Decrease your volume, have risk per position less than 1%. When you will have lower risk, it will be easy for you. Third one, accept that there would be stop losses. Also, never trade on borrowed money. Never put you in a position where you're forced to trade to make money, because in most cases it will not work for you. And also the last one, it is also about your mindset. If you would think that it's okay, it's part of your business, you will come through it. Also, push like, subscribe and share this lesson with your friends, and below write a comment what you think about fear of loss. Maybe it appeared to you. How did it appear? How did you overcome it? It's interesting to read your stories. Thank you for your time. Bye.